The TK80 single HMI or TK80 series all-in-one printers have an optional network port in the HMI section, which can be used for communication of relevant protocols and downloading programs, but a small configuration is required. Reconnect the HMI to DC 24 volts power. When the boot screen appears, quickly tap the HMI panel. The HMI will then restart and enter the system interface. Clicking the upper right corner of the HMI will switch the language to English, after which we can begin setting the relevant HMI parameters. The IP address refers to the local IP address of the HMI, which can be set according to the actual situation, for example, to 10.31.10.100. If the HMI is not directly connected to the PC but goes through a router or switch, you will also need to configure the IP address of the switch, for example, if the router's address is 10.31.0.1. The subnet mask is typically 255.255.255.0. Since my local network has many computers, I set it to 255.255.0.0. This ensures that even if the HMI's subnet mask isn't 0, it can still connect and download programs normally. You can adjust the settings according to your specific situation. The port number can be left as default. After setting it, click Save and then click Restart. Finally, we can observe the actual program download process. Simply click the download button, select the network port, and then enter the HMI's local IP address to complete the download. If you still cannot download the program after setting the above parameters, please check the following. 1. Whether the network cable is working properly. 2. Whether the indicator light on the network cable port flashes after the network cable is plugged in. 3. Is the HMI version too low? You can check the version information on the IP settings page. If the version is too low, you need to upgrade the firmware, or select the option to update the lower level device. Please consult sales or technical personnel for upgrade packages.